Supercharge your workstation with the 10-outlet power strip from NewAge Products. Featuring 10 surge-protected receptacles in a slim profile design constructed of durable black aluminum. Our 48-inch power strip lets you charge power tools, electronics, lights, and more without taking up valuable space on your work surface. The 6-foot extension cable provides easy reach to your power source, and the included selection of mounting brackets and hardware lets you install your power strip exactly where you need it, directly to a workstation, on a pegboard, or a vertical or horizontal wall-mounted solution. Plenty of space between outlets lets you charge bulky battery packs without interfering with adjacent receptacles. Plug in with confidence, knowing that built-in 450J surge protection is keeping all your equipment safe from electrical damage. Heavy-duty power in a sleek, compact design. Save those dollar store splitters for holiday lights and charge your tools like a pro with the NewAge Products 10-outlet power strip.